Gentlemen, the Major is here. We may now begin briefing.
Alright guys, today's the day. The big man himself is going to be here. Are all stations ready?
We have the entire hangar area ready to roll, sir. You can eat off the floor.
That's right, and we have the vehicles ready for inspection and in A1 shape.
The troops drilled all weekend, sir. It'll be flawless.
Is that a toothbrush? And is that guy using a Swiffer?
Right on both counts, sir. The toothbrush really gets into the hard-to-fight spaces.
Well, the hangar is nearly 1,000,000 square feet. How many of these Swiffer pads have you had to use?
Actually, sir, the term for the cloth itself is dry duster replacement. And we've used about 500,000, sir.
Good lord, would it have been easier to hose the place down?
Well, hosing doesn't get the toothpaste out.
Did you say toothpaste?
Well, come on, sir! What do you think we'd use on the end of the toothbrushes?
The good news is it smells minty fresh.
Enough, guys, as long as it's clean. On other business, we all know that the new line is being released in the next few months. If we want to get hold of some of that gear ahead of the other stations, we need to sell us as the best base out there to the big guy. We wouldn't want to lose out to Moonbase getting them first.
God, I hate the moon base. Bunch of noobs.
Man, getting a few spades and sabers in the fold would be so cool.
Dude, don't forget the Rhino. Imagine a first wave attack of scorpions, elephants, and a few rhinos lobbing shells on the enemy front line.
Guys, let's not get ahead of ourselves here. Are we ready for the reception? I mean, inspection is great, but it's the schmoozing afterward where we gonna seal the deal.
Well, I have everything you asked for, but I'm a bit puzzled on what you chose.
Look, trust me on this. What have you got so I know we're good?
Well, we have sushi, quarter pounders, Tim Hortons lattes, and what I would describe as an inordinate amount of Domino's pizza.
Wait, what about the crazy bread? You guys got crazy bread, right?
Uh-oh.
My god, you get Wiener Dog Team on a Falcon now, and get some crazy bread. Oh, for God's sake. I didn't name that group, but I sure as hell would do what I can to get the name changed. Now get them moving.
Say, what's having a French guy lead this base anyway? I mean, weren't the French all killed in the war 80 years ago?
Well, the French from France were killed when Canada invaded them, but he's French-Canadian.
Oh god, that's even worse! Alright guys, you read the briefing for Operation Void the Noid. Now it's time to get on that elephant and find our objective.
Hey, who's the Orange Marine?
That guy is the one that joins us each mission and gets killed in some ridiculous way.
Oh, okay.
Hi there, I'm the ringmaster of this little elephant circus we proudly call the UNSC Love My Pony.
Thank you, sir. You know we have a pretty tough mission here, but we think we can do it.
Oh yeah? And if you need another trooper to your little party, one of our CQBs, Bruce, would love to join you.
That's right, if you need somebody for your conga line, give me a call, baby. You know what, I think our team's big enough for now. Yeah.
Oh well, he's a limber chap, you're lost.
I think I see it.
You sure?
Yeah, that's it. What? Grunt seat for free?
Alright then, stop this puppy. And stupid naval regulations.
Sir, incoming message from HQ.
Patch it through to my helmet, please.
Yo, dude. It's Jesse.
Oh, come on, you gotta give us some time to get the crazy bread.
Seriously, I don't care about the crazy bread. This is more important. It's about your background music.
Background music?
Yeah, that's right. That funky Kevin MacLeod tune playing right now. It's a 3-minute selection, and you're running out of time. You need to fade out to an interlude, and then come back in to reset the music to start.
Oh man, you're right. So, You ever been in love, Jess?
Why, yes, I was. It seemed too long ago. I was young, carefree, but it wasn't meant to be. Would you like a margarita, my pet? I thank God every day I found you.
You make me feel like a princess.
Okay, you guys ever, you know?
Huh? God, no. Well, okay, maybe 3 or 4 times. What can I say? Love the smell of methane.
It's quite the picture, ending communication.
God, I love the smell of methane.
Is that Belinda Carlisle I hear?
Oh, that's gotta be Jess.
What have I gotten myself into?
You know, I heard Jess nailed a grunt.
I heard the same thing. He's such a man.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
I don't know what you guys are talking about.
Oh, please, I'm so jealous.
Okay.
No scope headshot from 1.2 clicks? Come on. Nailed that grunt big time.
Oh, yeah, the no scope. Yeah, of course, that's, it's, stuff of legends, man.
You'll thank me later. God, I hate the 80s.
Alright, Joe, your first wave. You're to make your way to the building, order, wait, pay for it, and return with the crazy bread. Do you understand?
Sir, yes, sir.
Well, what are you waiting for?
Money, sir.
Oh, man.
What? Don't ask me. You stuck me for paying Applebee's last night.
Whoa, you guys went to the Applebee's last night? Why wasn't I invited?
Joe, don't start this now. You were with Jessica. You're always with Jessica.
Apparently you have an issue with that.
Joe, it was 25-cent wing night. It was a killer.
Connor, please. This ain't helping.
You know, maybe if you made Jessica feel welcome and gave her a chance, you'd want her to come?
Guys, Jessica's right beside you, and this is awkward.
Wow. Joe, here's a 20. Get the flippin' bread.
Do I tip?
No, Joe, that's why we're picking up, so we don't have to tip.
We just wasted $1,000 on gas to avoid a $2 tip.
Guys, can we focus? Joe, you got your orders.
Where did you find this guy? The circus? Alright, he's in.
Hi, welcome to Domino's. Can I take your order?
Oh my God.
Sir, this just got hairy. Look at this.
Man, all I can see is his butt from here. But apparently he's been working out.
Code Orange, we have Legos in the building.
This, gentlemen, is why they send Spartans to get crazy bread. Put a link to Joe's headset. Joe, this is Andrew. We did an update.
Try not to move. He's staring at me. His eye. They're burning a hole right through me.
Joe, remember who you are. You're a Spartan. Now get that crazy bread.
An order of crazy bread, please.
You must be confused with a competitor. You might want what we call our tasty breadsticks.
Oh God, the coupon. It's not for Domino's. Crazy bread from Little Caesars.
Get a grip, Joe. We've been through worse. We fought flood in the thousands, taking on elites with our bare hands. Now get the breadsticks and forget the coupon. I'm pretty sure it expired anyway.
An order of your tasty breadsticks, please.
What kind of sauce would you like with that?
Did you hear that?
Yes, I did, Spartan. Damn. HQ never told us what sauce to get. I mean, what other kinds are there?
Dude, get the ranch. It's so good. I mean, who doesn't like ranch?
Joe, dig deep, man. Ask what kinds there are.
What kinds of sauce are there?
We have ranch, Italian, Caesar, and...
Mega Bloks Blood!
My sensors say he just peed his pants.
Connor, pull out the Spartan laser. Gonna fry this place.
What about Joe?
At It's called sacrifice. Joe, son, quick question. Let's say something happened to you. I don't know, fall in a shower, training accident, maybe a minor Spartan lasering. Would you mind if someone you knew dated Jessica?
I don't understand. I mean...
You know, I'm not saying right away. I mean, a good 2 weeks mourning period. That's pretty good where I come from.
A week sounds about right for me.
Yeah, you know it, baby.
What the hell is going on?
Sperm laser ready to fire, sir.
Yeah. Okay, hey Joe, thanks for everything. God bless. Fire at will.
It's time for some fun.
What the
God, I love my job. Cool achievement.
Thank God they brought the beer, but come on, I'm a Spartan. What's with the light bit?
Your voice. Did you work in radio?
Why, sure, I worked in FM radio for years. Spartan Radio, KSPN.
Oh, that station. Yes, they played Rick Astley a lot.
Of course, hey, what's a little afternoon drive without the Ass Man?
The Ass Man?
Yes, man, you know, Rick Astley, the man!
Brad wants you to know he's impressed by the base. It's in great shape and the personnel seem to be top notch. The pizza and the Big Macs were especially good.
Glad to hear, sir. We were anxious to impress.
Brad does want to know where the crazy bread is, though.
Well, that's a work in progress.
Brad is not happy. In fact, Brad says you need to sort your grass from your elbow. Oh, sorry. He didn't mean grass. Brad says the moon base did a far better job and had plenty of crazy bread, so it's time to leave. Better luck next time.
Really? After what we did to get ready? And what's with the stupid Hayabusa gear anyway?
Brad would like to tell you that you can shift a parking cone in your grass. Oh, I really misheard that one, but I figure you know what you meant.
God, I hate the moon base.
Okay, so I called headquarters. Yeah, told them the mission failed. What the...
Where did you come from?
I am Boris from main base. I here to get crazy red for you.
Hey guys, we're here to help.
You know, call me a stickler for rules, but this is not in the script.
There's like 1 minute left in the video.
Yeah, like the mission's failed. The party's already over, man.
Mission fail, look, they just purchased my set. I just joined Mega Block Toys. You must get me in movie, no? No need script, you improvise, no?
Improvise, I can do that.
Yes, very good, you try, you improvise.
Improvise this, buddy.
You guys don't have to improvise. I'm not even supposed to be in this scene.
Oh, don't worry. You're not gonna be in it that much longer. Oh well, you'll thank me later.
Did you really have to kill these guys?
Let me guess. I'll thank you later.
Are we done yet?
Actually, all we gotta do is the end of the movie catchphrase.
Okay, that's right. Why did the mission fail? What went wrong?
Well, you know, I'd always believed we'd gone a fridge too far. Alright, I'm bummed. Let's get out of here and play some Reach.
Sounds good to me.